constructions going on this road. One is Mohammadi building, one is Amar Jeevan, and there's another one touching Turner Road. Now, it seems to us that the reason why the BMC is rushing this up is so that they will take the chance to see if this road can be widened and if all these residents keep quiet. If the road is widened, they will then put amended plans and have commercialization of this road, because they cannot get the commercial licenses unless the road width is of a certain length. Now for that, they are willing to trample on everything over here and not do it. Even the open space, even the open space at the ground, there's a ground of open space over here, that they have taken it, and that is absolutely unjust, because all over the city we are fighting and all the activists are saying save open spaces. But over here, what is happening, Rishi, is that the trees are being removed and this open space, they are actually taking it for parking of the road.
BMC has to justify it. See, we are standing.
There is one building over there, 17A, which is going to be on the road. I mean, if they take the wall, no, and there is a mandir opposite.
I want to make it very clear.
This is democracy. Wait,
This is not democracy.
wait.
Some of the
And there is this building.
These are for the people.
Wait. They have taken the land. Look at this on top. Sorry.
Overnight they have built an illegal structure.
Illegal. Where is it situated? Bank opposite.
Exactly.
Okay. There are.
You cannot do anything.
Please.
You cannot do
Wait.
anything.
Always.
What can you do? What will you do?
Don't lose your cool. Their property.
I want to tell you one thing. Same thing was happening back then. Okay? Stopped it. Because the land was being taken and, like you very rightly said, building was coming onto the
Road. Touching your bang on the road.
you are going to be on the road.
On the road.
We are completely against this, where it is not needed.
Right.
Then why won't it be not needed? Because it is the BMC. You have to understand the difference. We are fighting the BMC.
Just 1 minute. Sir, please. You'll also
You have to
everybody get a chance
understand
to
the
speak.
difference.
Yeah, what is very important is this open space over here.
Everything is important. The whole is.
Everything is important for Bandra to preserve open spaces.
Preserve the greenery also.
And the greenery. And the
Greenery is the most
We are
important.
fighting for this. You know that. You all know that we are fighting for this from day one. You know there is private parking at the next two.
I will put this in writing to the ward officer just now. Let's go in. Let's go in.
Even the traffic department should not allow anybody to park. Both sides parking. Both sides parking.
They are doing it mainly for valid.
And most important, I think, Priya, we should convey it from me, from all the people over here. Save the common person from this builder lobby over here. Be hard on them.
Anil.
No, why? They are the people who are ruining it. And it is because of this builder lobby that the BMC is bending.
Let's not divert from the
Solve the issue.
There are many issues. What you come here for, let's do.
No road widening.
जरा सांगा नहीं सब जाएगा अंदर चारत मास मेन आहे प्लॅन किती जावा सर 4% 10 नहीं चारत मास को बोलो सब नहीं जा सकते 4 आदमी जा सकते और ऑफिसर को कम Send the nuns inside. Sister, no. Sister, come on. Sisters, come. All the sisters come. Sisters, convent.
All the people who are affected.
Come, Rishi. एक मिनट. Come. अरे भाई हो. उनको आने दो. ऋषि को भी आने दो. आने दो. Come. Their lands. Even now it is cooling. The St. Joseph's graveyard is just
Taken over by the hawkers. Yeah, this St. John's
near the fire on it.
none grave has been taken over. Hawkers are there, godowns are here. Godowns have been made and food tables has been taken over.
You're taking photos also, right?
You heard the people screaming outside.
Achha, now something this issue of fighting से okay, it has become a very big issue and पहले तो मैं भी इधर से आई, मुझे तो ऐसा लगा नहीं कि वाइडनिंग की जरूरत है। जो बिल्डिंग्स ऑलरेडी बन रहे हैं, जो बिल्डर्स बना रहे हैं वो सेटबैक ऑलरेडी दे रहे हैं, करेक्ट? तो ये जो लोग यहाँ इतने सालों से रह रहे हैं, उनकी बिल्डिंग ऑलरेडी रोड पे है ज़्यादातर। अगर आप और सेटबैक देंगे तो इन लोगों का no security, no nothing. The same thing that happened here in which is the building of Brian.
Yeah, the side of Damien. At the side of.
At the side of forgot the name.
Yeah, they step out of the building and they're on the road.
And yes. You know, so that issue, if it is not necessary, why do it? अभी सेंट जोसेफ्स ग्रेवयार्ड का भी ऐसे ही हुआ था। उनका ले लिया है।
Neil, I think met you. Me and Neil met you for this.
लैंड ले लिया, हाँ, लेकिन उसका कुछ फायदा हुआ नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ अभी गोडाउन बन गए और यहाँ हॉकर्स बैठ गए। So why put the citizens in so much trouble when really there is no need to do it?
And one more thing, the method in which it is being done is so wrong. You're just issuing notices as if they are some criminals. They're not criminals.
Yes,
So
these
police
are the
demolition
people
wall,
who are
no process of
owners of
engagement. There is no traffic study.
I will
no
tell
traffic
you
study.
what is the feeling of all St. Martin's Road residents. Everybody is feeling, and you tell us that it is wrong. We will be happy to hear it that our assessment is wrong. There are currently 3 constructions going on St. Martin's Road. One is Mohammadi building, Amar Jivan, and the one touching Turner Road.
The temple.
At that side.
Temple.
These 3 are being done. Redevelopment is being done. It is our view and our feeling that BMC is bending backward to support the builder lobby. I believe that it should not be at your level. It may not be correct, but are they using some higher forces to put pressure on you? Because we also know and we also understand that today in Bandra, commercial space is more valuable than residential space, and they want that the road, they are testing the waters to see if the residents keep quiet and shut their mouth and don't get out on the streets. The BMC takes the property, they widen it. That will only allow them to have, they cannot have a commercial unless the road is wide enough, correct? And that is what we are feeling, that they will then, they will put amended plans, they will put amended plans for commercialization.
Can I make one
मला याच्यावर एक्सप्लेनेशन्स आहेत. तुम्ही एकानेच बोला, मी व्यवस्थित सगळ्यांना सांगतो.
पहिलं
जे आलेले मुद्दे मॅडम उपस्थित केलेले
And we're giving him a written petition.
ओके, हा सर्वे रोड आहे मॅडम. याच्यामध्ये 12.20 मीटरची जी लेंथ आपण प्रिस्क्राइब केली आहे, त्यामधून कोणाला काहीही कमर्शियल गेन होण्याचे चान्सेस नाही.
They will put amended plans. The amended plans are made correct. You also know what I'm saying is correct.
You are not correct. 12.20 मीटर विड्थ वाढवल्यानंतर कोणालाही कमर्शियल गेन होण्याचे चान्सेस नाही, 100% नाही.
I'll show you 10. Hawaiian shack on 60 feet.
Residential area.
What you are saying is completely wrong.
Let me just tell you, please, let me just tell you about St. Martin's Road. A building right opposite your ward office. The Rizvi complex. Today you have taken that thing, a little deviated. On top they have built a room, completely covered, painted. What in front of your office, sir? You have to only get out. I have been telling you for months together that there is this thing. The moment the slum dwellers started coming here, I started telling you, I sent you photographs, everything, sir. Have you done anything of that sort? You haven't done it. And when it comes to getting police protection to demolish this thing, you have got it. But you cannot get police protection to get rid of that this thing and get all that. Why is it happening?
Basically, I tell you.